Aking mahal na mga kababayan, nais kong ibahagi ang ibang magagandang balita. In the second quarter of the year, our economy grew by 6.3% compared to the previous year, one of the highest in ASEAN. This is due to the increase in investments and construction under the Build Better More program. Bagamat maganda ang datos na ito, wala itong kabuluhan kung hindi maramdaman ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya't patuloy ang ating pagbibigay ng sapat at kalidad na trabaho. This June, the unemployment rate dropped to 3.1%, one of the lowest on record for the last 2 decades. Over 50.3 million Filipinos are now employed, with 63.8% of them in the formal sector. Lalong dumadami ang mga kababayan nating may disente at formal na hanap buhay at naging bahagi ng middle class. Ang lahat na ito ay patungo sa layunin nating iangat mula sa kahirapan ang bawat Pilipino at abot kamay na natin ito. The poverty rate also dropped to 15.5%, which means we have lifted 2.5 million Filipinos out of poverty, and only 10.9% of Filipino families remain poor. Our goal is to further reduce this rate to 9% by 2028 and improve the lives of 8 million Filipinos. Inuulit ko, baliwala lahat ng ating ginagawa kung walang pagbabago sa buhay ng mga Pilipino. So I assure you, this government will continue to invest in job-generating infrastructure, social protection programs, health, and education for all Filipinos. We will not rest on our laurels, but use them to propel us forward into social and economic transformation.